We have just got 4 short weeks to fully renovate a tired apartment into a modern day bachelor pad.
The 4-week timeline, that is unrealistic.
Luckily, I've got the 2 perfect girls to help me get started.
The plumber can't make it.
There is so much happening.
I genuinely don't know what we're going to do with only 3 weeks to go.
Let's buckle up, shall we?
It needs to be done in 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lou.
This looks so good.
Straight away, I see the black side panels. I'm like, what is going on?
There is no turning back now.
The next time we're going to be here, it's going to be done.
Let's finally make it a home.
Oh my goodness. Can you believe this is the same apartment that we're in at the beginning?